good fam? It's Asia here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this cute tribal look, really inspired by the Fulani tribe and my little sister Janai. Thank you, girl. So this hairstyle only uses one pack of clip-ins, which is super affordable, super dope. For those of you who don't want to spend a lot of money on clip-ins, well girl, you can do this hairstyle with just one pack. Yes, you're welcome. This hairstyle is really fast and easy to do. I used Protective Styles hair clip-ins, and if you shop there, be sure to use my code AseaMae to save that cash. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm starting off with a fresh new blowout. I just did a video on this blowout, so be sure to check it out. Click the I button, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part off the back of my hair. I need this to be straight, and I also don't need it to be too high up, so I'm parting from ear to ear. Once I've got that taken care of, I'm gonna go ahead and braid this back section into a beehive. Then once I've did that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that end of the braid around the center braid and just make sure that it lies flat, because I'm gonna go ahead and pin down the ends with a bobby pin. Then I'm going to take one pack of the Protective Styles Kinky Coily clip-ins in 18 inches. Now you can use two, but I'm going to just use one for this demo to let y'all know that you can get away with one. So I'm starting off in the back. I'm just going to clip it on side to side, and I'm going to start with a 4-clip piece and then just kind of measure out from there. Then once I reach that top braid, I'm going to go ahead and install a clip-in piece going towards the front of my head. That way I can flip it back. This is going to conceal those braids. And just to make sure that everything is concealed, I'm going to go ahead and add a bobby pin right after the clip and pin the hair directly onto the root of my braid. That way when I flip it back, you can't see a track. Now we're going to move on to the top. We're braiding up the crown of the head, so I have parted my crown off, and I'm just going to section that so we can get to work. We're going to go ahead and braid the hair. So I'm going to be using the Mael Organics Edge Gel. This is so bomb for braids, has my braids looking so slick. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to begin to braid the front. This is the pattern that I chose, so I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I braided the crown of my head. So this is a completed design, and I just went ahead and mirrored that on the other side. Now I'm going to go ahead and gel up that back of my ponytail. I'm going to get it nice and sleek, and I'm going to go ahead and add the back hair to the hair that I just braided. I'm going to put this into a nice little bun at the top. Don't mind that braid sticking out on the side. I eventually realized that I left it out, and I added into the braids. So I'm going to go ahead and braid the ends of my ponytail into 2 big braids. Then I'm going to go ahead and wrap those braids around to create a bun, and I'm just going to pin them with a bobby pin to secure them into place. Then I'm gonna add my remaining clip-ins onto my little bun at the top. I'm clipping this directly onto my braids, which makes it so easy. Oh my goodness. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try to pack them in there so I can have a nice full bun. Then I'm gonna go ahead and gather those clip-ins and do a nice gentle twist to start forming the bun. And I'm gonna use bobby pins to make a little shape and then take a ponytail holder and finalize the bun. Once I've got that ponytail holder in place, I'm gonna add bobby pins as needed, just fixing the shape. I do want it to look a little bit messy, so I do strategically pull out pieces to make it look, you know, a little messy. Next, I'm gonna just fluff the back and make sure that it looks nice and voluminous. Since we only used about 3/4 of a pack back there, we wanna make it look like it's a lot more hair than it actually is. Then we're gonna add beads onto the front of my hair, and I'm adding this little jewel to the middle braid. And I'm gonna take a bobby pin to bead my hair. I put the bobby pin on my hair, and then I go ahead and put the beads on and pull my hair through with the bobby pin. This is bootleg. You will not catch me by no beater because there's just so many things in your house that you could use to bead your hair. Then I'm gonna secure the beads with a rubber band. And that's it, you guys. Boom. So cute, so easy, so nice. And that's it, you guys. Super easy to do. This hairstyle took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do from start to finish. Really easy to do. And I absolutely love the finished results. My hair feels nice and secure. The clip-ins aren't going nowhere. So for those of y'all who be a little bit skeptical about it, no, they're in there secure. They're in there nice and secure. They're not going anywhere. So let me know if you guys give this hairstyle a try. And be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.